welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, do like and share. And today we are going to discuss demultiplexer. Demultiplexer is opposite to multiplexer. Why? Because in yesterday we seen multiplexer is it has number of input but output is only one. But in demultiplexer it has only one input and output is many. So it is a process of taking information from one input and transmitting over one of many input. Now a demultiplexer is also called a data distributor, read as a demux also. So we can call demux. A demultiplexer take one input data lines and distribute and to many one of the number of individual output lines one at a time. Means it is giving, suppose you are selecting particular, you are giving some one input and you want to reach that particular destination or you want to take that particular value, then when you are giving the value, that particular target has been selected. First point, it has one input and many output. It is also called one to many output. See here, N represents output lines, M represents select lines, and N is equal to 2 to the power of N, M is equal to log 2 to the power of 2. So this is the formula of multiplexer representation. When you are giving the one input, that line has been selected, N represents number of output lines. These are the output, means you are giving only one input selected to particular point, and that when that particular selection has been happened, the particular target has to be selected. When you are entering into any room, what happen? You are entering one by one. Means that line, first person is belonging to first selection, second person is belonging to second selection, third person is belonging to third selection, and fourth person is belonging to fourth selection. In depth of the demultiplexer, you can check according to the formula. So first, according to when you are selected 0 0, on that condition your data, means your output D0 will be activated. Means when you are selecting 0 0, that you are allowing that particular person to sit in the class. Okay. See, this is 1 into 4 multiplexer, means it has one input. The selection point is only 2. When you are selecting 0 0 0 1 1 0, then we get four selected points. So that's why we given 2 inputs. If you are selecting 3, then the number of output will be increases. Means S0, S1, S2, S3, like that. If you are selecting the according to the number of selection point, your output will be increases. When you are selecting 0, when you are selecting 0 1 or 1 0, means this is selection, and according to the selection point, this will be input will be going to reach to particular target. See guys, I given one put and I will select 0 0, means S0 S1. Okay, so S0 is my 0, means in default condition my output will be Y0, means D0 will be activated. Okay, when you are selecting 0 0 for that 2 selection point, your activation will be D0, means Y0. When you are selecting 0 1, your input will be selected and output is targeted to Y0. Okay, when you are selecting 1 0, that particular input reaching to the Y2 and your Y2 will be activated. When you are selecting 1 1, that particular input is activated and that is reaches to Y3. So it will activate according to the selection point. See, ladder representation according to the selection point. When you are selecting 0 0, means this is 0, this is 0, initial condition, we are not touching the circuit, your output should be glow. When you are selecting 0 1, means this is 0, you are not touching the circuit, you are making NO as a NC, this output will be getting on. When you are selecting 1 0, then your output will be glowing. When you are selecting 1 1, means when you are selecting or two switches in open condition, then your output will be glowing. Means this represent S0, this represent S1, this total represent, means this all circuit represent S0 and this all circuit represent S1. When we are giving the input, when we are enabling the input, particular input, then the particular output will be selected. Means if you are selecting 0 0, that particular output will be selected. If you are selecting 0 1, means this indicates 0, this indicates 1, then your output will be selected. Similarly, when you are selecting 1 0, output 3 will be selected. When you are selecting 1 1, then your output 4 will be selected. So Q0 will be selected according to the 0 0 condition, Q1 will be selected in 0 1 condition, and Q2 will be selected in 1 0 condition, and Q3 will be selected in 1 1 condition. Hope you guys understand this topic. Actually I taken only PLC ladder representation. See, demultiplexer is a sequential circuit. All these demultiplexer, multiplexer, decoder, encoder, adder, these all things we are including in automation. Why? Because to make the ladder representation, so you have to think in different way. See, in initial condition there are 2 persons and we have 4 output, and in default condition means they are not able to touch the circuit, but that room has to be glow. Means in apartment, you let's think that there are 4 people living with 4 different room. Okay, in first room the blind people or some handicapped people are living. In that condition, what happen, they need lamp always on. Means they need this output should be always on. So we are designing the circuit in such a way that these in initial condition, means without switching, the output should be glowing. In second room, one person has to handle the output. Means one person has no worry that I will do or not, but second person has to take care of onning the switch or offing the switch. So what happen in this condition, he make the first switch as a default, second switch as a enabling. Means he can control the output, means he can control the lamp. Okay, in third condition also, that first person taken the role and he can operate the output, but second person not able to take the output, means not able to glow out the output, or he is not able to take the responsibility to on the lamp. In fourth condition, all the 2 peoples are having the responsibility. Means when I will press this switch, then only my lamp should glow or my AC should run. Means mutual understanding. If these 2 people will on the lamp on the switch, then only the particular load will be activated. Okay guys, hope you understand. If you like the videos, please do the comment. Thank you.